If your Black & Decker roll around portable AC is not blowing as cool as it used to, probably what you need to do is take it apart. So take all the screws out of it, in front and in the back and down the sides. Your two wires right here that you need to disconnect. You don't have to worry about getting them correct on the way back because they're different sizes. And I'll clean all this up after I get done showing you the harder part. We'll roll this around here. We got the screws out all down the side, down here, up there in the middle. We got some little Lego kind of things that unsnap. And you kind of gently remove the shell. There's part of your issues right there. Look how dirty that is. Just put that with. This is all cat hair. And this is what you need to clean out. This is going to be a long and dirty job. This is your coil right here. And that's your fan, so the fan sucks air through the coil this way and out. This blows hot air out here, but then it blows the cold air out through up here. So it's pretty much just, this is a, even though you got a filter, this is what you got. Now this is going to take a long time to clean this. I'm not going to make a video in the whole thing because it's just a lot of tedious cleaning. And if you have one of these and you don't do this, one day it will stop working. It'll make some noise and burn electricity up, but it's not gonna cool because it's just running against itself. It's gonna overheat. Man, isn't that crazy? People said they bought this brand new. Can't understand why it's not cooling so well. I said, well, you know, I'll take it if you don't want it. So I salvaged it, and I'm gonna get it clean and running. Look, there's your coil right there. Look at that. There's the coil. See if I can turn it and get a little bit more light on it. It is so thick. I might have to find my little, I got a small steel wire brush. I'm gonna have to find that, but pretty much you got to clean all this stuff off, and the hardest part is gonna be getting it off this coil right here, because those are fins. See if you can't even see any bare fins, but that's like a little blanket to stopping the airflow going through there. And you'd be going, why is my air conditioning bill so high? Oh, there we go. Look, coming off like a, just like I said, like a blanket. See, that is dust and cat hair. You see the little fins now? So you got to uncover all this stuff and put your AC back together. See, if you're gentle, you could pick it off. Kind of have to do it by feel because you certainly can't see in here. And that is not insulation. That is more cat hair. So if you have cats, you're gonna have to pay attention to your air conditioners. in places you can't see. This is after, I think they said this was a year old. Alright, well, I'm going to drop y'all off right here, and I'll do a follow-up video on it and see what kind of temperatures I can get out of it, and I'll post that later. So thanks for hanging out. And that's what your little portable AC looks like. Some kind of little freaky robot.